Hey, welcome to Hum and BoMA episode 16, I believe. I was not planning on recording today, but here we are because I've got this page I put together of examples of my work, and I want to turn it into like a portfolio page on my website, but I don't want it to be just like, look what I can do. I want it to be, how can I help you, right? What problems can I solve for you? And so I thought I'll just go to ChatGPT and see what ChatGPT recommends for doing that. I said, I'm an old solopreneur marketer. I have this list of examples. How can I make this customer-centric? So here's their first take at it, which was really cool. And then they said, if you'd like, I can map your existing examples to this kind of structure. Just share the links. I said, great. I just gave you the headings. Here's the whole thing. And I just copy and pasted all of this content from the Google Doc. And it came back with all of these. So how I help SaaS and SMB teams win at marketing. Yeah, so I want to teach customers new features without overwhelming them. Here's all my work, right? The links that I provided. Need social media that engages, want to build trust with prospects, etc. And then it came back with, would you like me to turn this into a wireframe? I said, okay, a wireframe would be great. Here it is. Wireframe's ready. You want me to help this turn into a live page on your site, or would you like a styled version like Tailwind or CSS? I didn't know what would be next. So yeah, turn it into a live page on my site. I figured I would just copy this into an HTML block, and ChatGPT asked, what am I using? I said WordPress, and it said, sure enough, create a new page and then do custom HTML. So I could have done this part without ChatGPT, but if I didn't know that, it's got me covered. It's pretty cool. All right, so let's copy it and let's look at this together. Let's see what happens. We're adding a page, and let's see what winning looks like. What's up, my girl? Okay, carrying on. Where was I? Story of working from home. Let's just call it what it suggested. See what winning looks like. Did I copy all of this? I think I did, right? There's this copy button. Yeah. Okay. So, see what winning looks like. All right, now let's do some HTML. Boom. I wonder what that's going to look like. Okay, and then real quick, I don't think I want that heading, but let's just preview it. No idea what we're going to, okay. It doesn't look like the rest of my website, so I'm going to want to update it, but I mean, that's not bad. And I want to embed videos, but oh, it's got the heading twice. Yeah, okay, so let's change the template. Change template. Oh, that menu changed. It used to be different wording. We want no title. That's the one we want. No title. Will that work? No title. Great. Oh, I didn't want to publish. Let's preview one more time. No title. Oh, it really messed up my header. Didn't notice that last time. That's cool. Great. Well, I'm not going to use the HTML it gave me, but I will use the list that it gave me and just put it into, the normal page building tools here on WordPress so that will match the rest of my website. ChatGPT is being a little too smart here, creating, all of this. It's just wild. And I'm becoming more and more aware that I'm way behind on AI. So if this is blowing your mind like it's blowing my mind, we've got work to do, folks. So I've got a friend who's sending me a bunch of AI information right now. Thank you, Shannon. And Brandon Charlson, I've been following you. I've got a video in my inbox that I've just been sitting on, need to watch. Anyway, lots of information out there in AI. That's it for now. Just wanted to share how AI has helped me go from here's a list of stuff I've done in the past that I'd like to share, customer testimonials, blog posts, examples of business automation, lead magnets that I've created. Now, how do I make this about the prospect or the customer instead of a show and tell, look what Brett can do? And ChatGPT's got it for me. At least a version 1. It probably saved me, I don't know how many hours it just saved me. So just wanted to show that process. I was impressed that I didn't just get some help with wording, but it took me as far as here's the page for your website. Pretty cool. All right, see you next time.